Good morning, Bryan Middle High School.
We're keeping that.
Okay. Please join the youth in action groups in spreading cheer around the school until the holiday break. Pick up a card during lunch or at a station around the school campus and deliver a positive, uplifting message to spread cheer to a classmate, teacher, or family member. Please keep messages positive and appropriate so we can continue this worthwhile event.
The Bryan bowling team traveled to the Deshler on Friday from a bowling match with Patrick Henry. Both Bryan teams lost the match. In the girls' match, the high game was 2-12 by Jessica Federspiel, along with their series of 397, leading the boys with Caleb Muhe with a 254 game and a series of 425.
In swim and dive action, the girls were the Napoleon Invite champions, while the boys finished in 5th place overall. Your athletes of the meet were Nicolette Stickney and Aiden Moore. For full results, check out the attachment in your email.
In high school basketball action, the varsity boys lost to Defiance by a score of 73-42. The boys were led by Sam Herold with 17 points, and Carter Dominique had 7. Bryan also lost the JV game by a score of 57-27. Jack Kennedy had 7 points in the loss.
5 more days until exam week, and make sure you're studying.
Make it a great day.
Or not.
The choice is yours.
Yeah.
I thought you were all, but okay.